Hi guys, how you all doing? I hope you are doing good. Guys, I'm just coming back now. I went to drop the kids off to school. Yeah, but I'm happy that I'm back home. Your girl is back home before the rain started. Okay? Otherwise your girl will be wet. But I'm back home anyway, guys. So guys, now that I'm back home, I'm back for the part 2. What is the part 2? For me to make sure their food, as a cook. We mother, we are cook, we are teacher, we are everything. That's why we really need to stay strong. We need to stay strong. We need to be positive. Okay, guys, a positive mind always win. Mothers, kudos to all mothers out there. Kudos to all mothers out there. I so much appreciate God for my life, for what God has been doing in my life. It's just like magic, guys. Just try to be positive. That is the key. Okay, before I start today's video, to all my wonderful subscribers, you guys are the best. And to our newly subscribers, thank you. Welcome to the farm. And if you have not subscribed, like you are seeing this face for the first time, guys, please consider to subscribe now. Yeah, click that red button that says subscribe. It's free. Yeah, it's free of charge. They will never charge you. Yeah, they won't charge you. Subscribe to my channel and we will be glad to have you guys. Now what I'm going to do now is I'll make sure I cook, because I'll be going out soon anyway. I want to make sure their lunch is ready before going out. And yeah, like I was saying, guys, let's try to be positive. A positive mind always win. Okay, try to see good things in everything you are doing. I know sometimes these negative thoughts might come true, but the power to erase the negative thoughts in your mind is the cocoa. Okay, is the important thing. So the power to just focus on the positive is the key, guys. Is the key. So let's try to always stay positive. We need to train our mind to see good in all situations. Every situation, train your mind to see good. A better day are on the way. The key is just for you to stay positive. To be honest, guys, if we can learn to stay positive in any negative situation, believe me, we will always win. But sometimes we don't know that whatever we say with our mouth is very, very important. We need to watch what we say. Say things positive. Let positive things come out from your mouth, and that positive thing will happen to you. That is just the truth, guys. When you say something positive, you will see that positivity in your life. So guys, let's try to stay positive. It will make a very big difference in your life. When you stay positive, it will make huge difference in your life. When you stay positive, let's try to be positive at all times. Don't think about the negativity people are talking about you. You focus on yourself. Focus on your life. Be positive and leave everything to God. Let God guide you. Always stay positive, guys. And I think this one will touch 1 or 2 people out there. Erase that negativity out of your mind. Don't think bad about anyone. Don't look for that person downfall. What are you going to gain? To be honest, you don't like someone, it's fine. It's not possible for you to like everyone. It's not possible. But if you don't like that person, what is it going to change if you can just walk away? Nothing will change. If you don't like the person, just walk away. Don't have that negative mind about that person. No, don't do it. Because whatever you think, Yoruba say to ba no mo ika kan si eyan kan, the 4 merin to ku, you own them. So please always try to think positive. Always trying to see, why do you want to sit down for someone? Is that going to change anything in your life? Is that going to make you happy? Or is that going to increase your wisdom? No. Always stay positive. Don't look Don't pray. Some people will pray to God for another person to go down. Why guys? We just have to stay positive and leave the fight for God. Let God fight for you, guys. Let's try to stay positive. I hope this helped 1 or 2 people out there. Let's wake up, pray to God, do things that makes you happy, and always stay positive. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.